This week on This is Ruth Yole, a delicious beef sauce recipe. Absolutely yum! Subscribe and tap the notification bell for updates. Welcome to my world. Hi guys, welcome to another episode of This is Ruth Yole. Karibuni sana, and if you're new here, karibu sana, and make sure you subscribe and tap the notification bell for updates. I am back with another recipe, a yummy beef sauce. It has herbs, spices, really fun to make, and I'm super excited about it. Let's get into it. You'll need 350 grams of beef chopped, 2 onions cut into rings, 1 hoho chopped, 4 cloves of garlic crushed, 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, oil, 2 tomatoes chopped, and salt and black pepper to taste. In a bowl, add garlic, oregano, and vinegar. Add in the beef and marinate for 30 minutes to 1 hour. Meanwhile, saute the onions. In a pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil. Add in the onions and cook for 5 minutes, stirring occasionally. Remove from the pan. In the sufuria, add in 2 tablespoons of oil. Sear the meat till brown on both sides. Add hoho and cook for 5 minutes. Add in the tomatoes and a little water. Cook for 10 minutes. Add more water. Cook for 20 minutes till done. Add black pepper and salt. Add in the onions and cook for 3 minutes. Add in a little water to make the sauce. Serve with rice or chapati. Enjoy! Our beef sauce smells and tastes amazing. Very easy to make, fun, and really yummy. So enjoy this recipe. Please let me know, comment down below. I'd like to know how it goes. You can also send me photos or videos on Instagram. And this is Ruth Yole. And if you're new here, make sure you subscribe and tap the notification bell for updates. Also want to say a huge thank you for liking, trying all these recipes, commenting, watching. I really appreciate. And I'll be taking a short break, but I'll be back very soon with amazing recipes and content. So make sure you watch. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe. And thank you so much for staying with me up to the end of this video. Until next time, bye.